Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X6. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we need to be watching out at the bottom there. Back to the iDrive. To get to the menu or the home screen, just click menu behind the iDrive. Communication is forward towards the windscreen, so we click the iDrive forward. And that's come up to telephone. Select telephone. There's no phones in here, it can't find anything, so it's gone to settings menu automatically. So click to settings menu, pair a new telephone. So click pair new telephone, click start pairing. Bluetooth name of your vehicle, we'll see, it usually comes up, sorry, it's still looking, me talking. So there you go, BMW 22849, that's the one. So we'll click on there. There we go. Now we have to put a PIN code in. So I'm going to put 0000 in. Click pair. It's asking me for the PIN code here. So 0000. Then I just have to knock it back towards me. Confirm passkeys there. So knock it back towards. Click confirm passkey. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I don't want to do that, but you will. I won't be using the car again. That's it connected. It's all done.